Welcome back, boys and girls, to Mr. McDonald's class. Today, we're going to work on our fine motor skills and learn how to fold a t-shirt. The first thing you'll need is a t-shirt. Oh, I have one right here. Once you have your t-shirt, you want to find out which is the front and which is the back. You're going to place the front of the t-shirt down on a flat surface. Then you're going to grab one of the sleeves and you're going to fold it 1/3 to the center. Then you're going to fold the other sleeve 1/3 to the center. Then you're going to take the bottom and you're going to fold it 1/3 up, 1/3 again, and now you have a flat folded t-shirt. Slide it over, find another shirt, and do it again. Go ahead and pause this video and practice folding t-shirts. Well, I hope you practiced. Now it's time for a challenge. I'm going to fold 5 t-shirts while you time me. After I'm done, you're going to fold 5 and time yours. You're going to try to beat my score. Ready, set, go. It's your turn. Thanks for joining me today. Have a wonderful day. Bye.